To use routine to avoid interruption during your meeting on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you can add meeting routine to your routine list. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, tap routine. Next, tap compass like icon at the top right to view all preloaded routine. Tap adaptive routine and then select meeting. Here you can review the condition and action on this routine so that you will know what conditions are needed to run this routine and what will happen when this routine is running. Once done, tap save to add this routine to your routine list. Tap the back key. With the meeting routine on your routine list, you can tap this routine to manually start or end it. When the meeting routine is active, your phone will automatically set the sound mode to mute and turn on the do not disturb mode, so you will not be interrupted during your meeting. If needed, you can place this routine on your home screen for faster access. To do so, go to your home screen. Long tap on an empty area on your home screen to go to the home screen edit screen. Tap widget. Scroll down the widget screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. Tap single routine. And then tap add. Next, select meeting. As you can see, a shortcut to the meeting routine has been added to your home screen. You can single tap the shortcut to easily start and end the meeting routine from your home screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.